Hi, this is Gitanjali. Welcome to my channel Grow Style Gardening. In this video, you are going to learn how to make a terrarium. That means creating a miniature garden or a forest in an enclosed glass container. Basically, there are two types of terrariums. One is closed one and other one is open. Here I am going to show you the open one. So let's start. Take a glass jar of any size. It can be your cookie jar or pickle jar or a fish bowl. I put the charcoal as the first layer. It helps to prevent the growth of fungi, to filter the water, and helps in also soaking the toxin and purifying this mini ecosystem. Now come to the second layer. You put the stones and pebbles on the charcoal layer. It acts as a drainage base because the glass container has no drainage hole. So it helps to prevent the retention of excess water in the soil. Then I create a layer of moss on the stones that will ensure that the soil does not seep into the pebbles. Now coming to the soil layer. This is the base of the plants and it will supply the nutrients to the plants. While selecting any plants, make sure that select one type of plants. That means they should have similar requirements of sunlight and water. Here I am using Phytonia, Syngonium and baby tear plants. All are tropical plants. They love also humid. So these plants also very much suitable for your closed terrarium. You can also add ferns along with your tropical plants, or else you can make a terrarium just with succulents and cactus. Now you may cover this soil with decorative stones or moss. You can make it more beautiful putting some figurines among the plants. These are the basic steps. Then it depends on how creative you are and how big or small your terrarium is. It was very easy and you may follow the basic steps, making the very complicated one in the future. I hope you enjoy watching this video till the end. Thank you so much.